Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to fix texture scaling when stretching an object. Okay, first of all let's see the first one. Okay, one I choose shape, cube for example. I want to add this texture. Look at this, it's stretched. Let's fix this problem. How to do that? Okay, before we doing the fixing, we have to show this material. Okay, look at this. It's mirror one, and I fixed just texture. Okay, when I scale this texture is fixing automatically, but the first element is not fixed. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, let's create a new project. Double click to the editor. Okay, yeah, so go right here. Create new project. Select the person as complete. Rename it what you want. Okay, first thing you want to do is to go here to the file marketplace and download the material. Texture and material. For this tutorial, I want you to use brick material. You can choose any material. Search for brick. Choose anyone. More filter. Price to free. Okay, let's see. Choose this. Want to choose highest quality as possible. Add to my project. Okay, now let's go right here. Close this. And let's go here and choose shape. I want to choose a cube. Let's tag this material. And let's see. Press R to scale it. Look at this stretched material. How to fix this? Okay, let's go here. Go to shape, choose a cube. Drag this cube right here. And now let's fix this problem. Okay, let's go here to the content. Create new material. Rename it fix matte. Double click right here. And let's search for scale parameter constant. Convert this one to a parameter, rename it scale. Make it the default value as 500. After this, we have to add our textures. Okay, biggest cancers. Select all of them and drag it here. Now let's add this node. World aligned texture. Go here and go here to convert texture to object. Do the same thing for all of these textures. After this, drag it here. Copy and paste. Duplicate another time. After doing this, we have to go here. Drag all of this to the texture size. Texture size. Okay, now the final thing we want to do is to go here for the text X, Y, and Z. This one for the base color, normal to the normal, or is not. And this one, this ambient occlusion. Okay, hit apply. Save all. Okay, now let's test it. Let's go right here and let's see the difference between us. Let's write the content and drag this my fixed material. And let's see. Um, okay. Look at this stretched material is done. Is gone. Look at the difference between us. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on the next tutorial.